we have this ring light today, as you can see, and this light is faulty. I plug this in and you can see the light is off. And when I try to move the knob, so now it works. I think the problem is loose connection in this knob. So now I will open this thing and see what we can do. Screwdriver, there is 4 screws. For these 2 screws, we need another screwdriver. All screws are unscrewed, and now we can open. Okay, I think it's a remote control sensor. I have to open this blade so I can examine the board. Yes, absolutely loose connection. Can you see? This cable is burned. Okay, here is our thing. I think everything is okay. Only problem was loose fit, and now it's okay. Maybe. Let's see. Power up, and now it works just fine as new. So I will assemble it again. Stay with us. The last piece is the knob. Now everything is okay. Let's check it again. Yes, it works. Nice. Now we can check that is our USB port okay or not. We need our USB tester. Check it. It shows this port is okay. Second port also okay. Third port okay too. This one is also okay. So we successfully repaired this ring light. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel. It helps.